Hi everyone, welcome to IM Labs. Today we are going to talk about an important CSS framework called TAILWIND CSS. Now just as we have seen earlier in Bootstrap that we can use multiple classes whose CSS are already been prescripted that we can import from a CDN or we can download it. So just like that we can use Tailwind CSS in our website, which can be static or dynamic. So Tailwind CSS website looks like this. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the Tailwind CSS site, and this page can guide you from building the website from scratch using this library. So in our installation part, we have to go to play CDN. Then we can use this script tag, and after that we have to create a project. Then we have to create our base file index.html. After creating the basic structure, we must copy the script tag of Tailwind CSS here. After that, we can use a site called Tailblocks, from which uses Tailwind CSS as its basic layout, or as part of the library. We can use this Tailblocks, which contains a fantastic collection of Tailwind CSS blocks of different components that we can use to build a complete site. So Tailblocks site looks like this. So let's get started. So after searching Tailblocks, we can open this site. So as you can see, this is the site from where we can use Tailwind CSS framework as part of our code. Using the components of this, we can create a total site. So let's put on a header. Then we can put on some other components such as I call it block view. Now let's run our site. As you can see, this is a basic layout where we have used Tailwind CSS to build our site, which is responsive to, as you can see, in responsive mode, any devices it actually responsively behaves according to the device size, width, height. Using this, we can create a website very fast. Thank you.